Hi, my name's Joe and I'm from Metal Polishing Supplies. Today I'd like to show you our general purpose metal polishing kits. The kits come with a standard mandrel which fits onto a standard electric drill. It comes with all your polishing compounds that you need to polish aluminium, brass, copper, bronze, steel and stainless steel. The kits also come with a sisal, colour stitch and G loose fold polishing mop, which is available from 3" up to 6". To attach the polishing wheels to your drill, you get your mandrel and you place it into your drill and you tighten up your chuck. You then get your polishing wheel, heads up, and you attach it on just by screwing it on. You then get your polishing compound. The compound is presented to the face of the polishing wheel as such, little and often. Don't put too much on at any one time. This kit is also available with a dome, cylinder and goblet polishing wheel and with conical and cylinder felts. These are used to do internal diameters, concave and convex areas and hard to reach areas. All our polishing kits come with this metal polishing guide. This will guide you through the processes of how to polish and which mops and which compounds to use for the application.